Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. In previous videos on the ABC tags to CSV Extractor utility, I've talked about using the CSV files for doing things like sorting all of the tunes in an entire directory of ABC files and for doing exotic filtering and that sort of thing. But I've also talked about data analysis, and you're probably wondering, what does that even mean in the context of an ABC file? So I'll give you an example here. Let's imagine that you have a tune book and you want to know what the distribution of the tunes by key in that tune book is. So you want to know, you've got 100 tunes, but you want to know how many are in G, how many are in D, how many are in A, and that sort of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with our local cultist chapter tune book. I don't need the share URLs or the file names for this example. I'm going to go ahead and open up that file and generate the CSV from it. So 112 tunes. And I'm going to open that in Apple Numbers, which is a spreadsheet program. And you can see here, I'll zoom this up a little bit, that we have the X tags, the T tags, the R tags, and so on. But we're interested in the distribution of the tunes based on the K tag. So I'm going to use a feature in Apple Numbers called categories. So I'm going to set a category on this K tag column. And we're going to do add category for K. And you can see what it does is it'll sort that column and it'll create a little header here for each unique value. So that's all the tunes in C, all the tunes in G, all the tunes in D, and so on. But now we're interested in getting the count for those. So I can do that by adding a count all in the header here for each of those categories. So now we can see there are 2 C tunes, 2 G tunes, and so on. So 35 D tunes, and so on. Now I'm going to create a bar graph of these counts. And all I have to do is I can just select that K row there, and I can say insert chart, bar chart. And now you can see over here on the right, we see a nice distribution. Here's the tunes in C, G, D, A, D major, and so on across the entire tune book. So when I talk about data analysis, this is the sort of thing I'm talking about. Now, clearly, you need to be proficient at working with your spreadsheet and understand about categories. So I just wanted to give you a sense for what might be possible using the CSV files for more sort of like musicologist type analysis of collections of tunes.